Yes guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to 2022. I've got some super exciting things to discuss with you on this video. Firstly, I hope you had a great Christmas. I hope you had a great New Year's Eve. I forgot to ask this in my last video. How rude of me. So I really hope it was cool. Mine was pretty chilled, still getting over the illness a little bit. Still a few little symptoms hanging around, so mine was taken very, very easily. First thing, check out my intro. Do you like it? I got that off Fiverr.com. If you are a YouTuber or you just want your own intro and outro for anything, I really recommend Fiverr. That's Fiverr.com, and you can get a whole wide range of services with them. So what should we discuss today? Let's discuss resolutions. Given that we're in January, it's the beginning of a new year, fresh leaf, fresh start, that kind of thing. So my first hair system resolution of 2022 is to clean and rebond more frequently and more consistently. I sometimes wait 3.5 weeks before I do a clean and rebond. Too long. It gets messy, it slides on your head, glue starts getting in your hair, it makes cleanup way harder as well. So one thing I'm going to be sticking to is every 1.5 to 2 weeks I'm going to be doing a full clean and rebond, because I know it's going to save me time, it's going to keep my hair looking slick for longer, and also I'm not going to get that horrific glue and tape residue which takes ages to clean up the longer that you've had it on your head. Hair system resolution number 2 is simply to get more systems a year. I try and get as long as I can out of a system, but sometimes I go a little bit too far, and I think it's my ego getting in the way, trying to prove to myself that I can get super long out of a system which possibly only has a lifespan of 2 to 3 to 4 months. I'm going to try and get better at sticking to that, because hair system wearers who have been system wearers for a long time, you probably understand that after a couple of months, especially with the lace bases, hair starts falling out, base starts falling apart, it can start looking a bit messy, the hair dries out. So this year and moving forward, I'm going to be aiming, depending on base, to get at least 2 to 4 months out of my systems, no more, because I want these systems looking as crisp as possible. Hair system resolution 3 for me is quite simple really. I want to try up some new hairstyles. I really like the sort of exposed hairline, and I've been doing it for a good 2.5 years now. And don't get me wrong, I'm going to keep doing that, but I'm going to mix up a little bit. So sometimes in videos coming up this year, you will see my hair down, you might see my hair a bit shorter, you might see my hair a bit longer. But what I want to do is, I feel confident enough in myself and my hair systems that I'm actually going to start mixing up styles a little bit. I'm liking a lot of styles that I'm seeing. There's a couple of new styles coming into 2022 which I might give a go. So I'm super excited. I've been doing a lot of Googling, seeing what different styles I could sort of go with and get away with. So please watch this space, because there's going to be quite a few more coming out. So guys and girls, what are your hair system resolutions for 2022? I'd really love to hear them, and I'd love to get a little discussion going in the comments box below. If you're liking my content, please do subscribe, hit that notification bell, because then you'll be notified as to whenever I make a new video, and you can keep track of all of the latest trends, developments, tips and advice. Till next time guys, take care for now.